Make money online. Generate passive income streams. Curious about making money online as a teenager without a hefty budget? Stay tuned as we unveil 10 wallet-friendly methods that could be your ticket to financial independence. Welcome to Profitability Plus, the go-to source for savvy tips on boosting your income. If you're a teenager or a student looking to make some cash online without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we've got a treasure trove of strategies that could be your game changer. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of budget-friendly online hustle. If you're a teenager or student on a budget looking to start an online side hustle, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through 10 ways to make money online without hefty upfront costs. These methods can pave the way for financial independence and the freedom to travel or pursue your passions sooner. Stick around for the entire video to catch life-changing insights. First up is eBay dropshipping. Contrary to popular belief, eBay is still a powerhouse, and dropshipping is a low-capital way to kickstart your online journey. You won't need to invest in inventory, just list products, ensure demand, and partner with a dropshipping supplier. Use tools like Zeek Analytics for product research. Next is Shopify dropshipping. With Shopify, you have more control over your store. While it requires a bit more effort, it offers flexibility in scaling your business. Google Shopping ads can be a game changer here. Create engaging content on platforms like TikTok to drive traffic to your Shopify store. Now, let's explore low-content books. This unique side hustle involves using tools like BookBolt for research and design. Think notebooks, puzzle books, or coloring books. Sell them on Kindle Direct Publishing without upfront costs. A creative way to monetize your skills. Another avenue is starting an automated YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. Leverage AI tools like ChatGPT for research and script writing. Use voice generation tools for narration and platforms like Canva for video creation. If you have graphic design skills, consider becoming a thumbnail maker. Many YouTubers need captivating thumbnails, and learning basic editing skills can kickstart this side hustle. Similarly, become a short-form video editor, catering to the growing demand for content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Building your short-form video platform is another exciting option. Repurpose existing content for Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Build followers and direct traffic where you want, whether it's your product, service, or affiliate links. Amazon Associates is a simple yet effective method. Sign up, get unique product links, and earn commissions for every sale. Whether through short-form or long-form content, promoting products on Amazon can be lucrative. Dive into blogging to create a website and write articles. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for assistance. Aside from earning through Amazon's affiliate program, Google AdSense can bring in revenue through ads on your blog. You can also promote digital products through affiliate marketplaces. Lastly, consider promoting softwares through affiliate marketing. Earn recurring commissions for every user who signs up through your link. Explore various channels such as blogging, YouTube, or building an email list to promote your affiliate links effectively. So, maybe the top 10 ideas didn't quite spark your interest, and that's totally cool. Let's explore some exciting alternatives that might just be the perfect fit for you. Are you intrigued by the world of coding and digital landscapes? The prospect of becoming a web developer might seem daunting, but fear not. You don't need an IT degree to get started. Dive into the realm of web development with online courses such as the Complete Web Developer course, available on platforms like Udemy. This comprehensive course provides you with the essential skills and knowledge needed to navigate the intricacies of coding. web development offers a plethora of opportunities for freelancers. Platforms like People Per Hour and Upwork connect aspiring web developers with clients seeking their services. As you enhance your coding skills, you can bid on projects ranging from editing existing websites to creating new ones. Starting small with manageable projects allows you to practice various coding languages and gain the confidence to take on more substantial assignments. While taking online surveys may not sound like the most exciting gig, it can be a straightforward and flexible way to earn extra income, especially for busy students. Platforms like Swagbucks offer diverse opportunities, including watching videos, playing games, and of course, participating in surveys. The process is simple. Sign up for survey sites, create an account, and start earning. Keep in mind that you may not qualify for every survey, so signing up for multiple sites increases your chances of finding suitable opportunities. While the pay might not be astronomical, the ease of participation makes it an attractive option for those seeking a casual way to boost their income. Ever felt like Google could use a bit of your expertise? Search engine evaluators play a crucial role in refining search engine results for relevance and usefulness. Companies like Lionbridge, Zero Chaos, and Appen regularly offer part-time positions for students. These roles usually require a commitment of 10 to 30 hours per week, making them ideal for students juggling academic responsibilities. The application process involves providing honest feedback on search engine results, ensuring their accuracy and effectiveness. Being realistic about the time you can commit is crucial to finding the right balance between work and studies. Your unique skills could be in demand, and Fiverr provides the platform to turn your abilities into income. Whether you excel in writing, web development, graphic design, or even possess quirky talents like creating personalized prank calls or celebrity impressions, there's a market for your skills. Setting up shop on Fiverr allows you to offer your services at various price points. Many freelancers have transformed Fiverr gigs into full-time careers, while others use it as a side hustle. This platform encourages creativity and diversity, making it an excellent space for students to explore their talents and find a niche. If you're searching for a stress-free online job that doesn't require specialized skills, data entry might be the perfect fit. Ideal for students who prefer a commitment without the complexity, data entry roles are available on platforms such as Clickworker, Dion Data Solutions, and The Smart Crowd. Before diving into data entry, it's advisable to assess your typing speed, as efficiency is key in this line of work. These jobs offer a flexible schedule, allowing you to manage your time effectively and strike a balance between your academic and work commitments. The beauty of social media influencing lies in its accessibility. While having a large following is undoubtedly an advantage, even individuals with a modest number of followers can seize opportunities. Companies recognize that the authenticity and engagement of your audience often matter more than sheer numbers. As a social media influencer, your earnings typically stem from two primary sources: flat fees and affiliate income. Flat fees are straightforward payments for promoting a product or service, while affiliate income involves sharing a unique discount code or link with your followers. When your followers make purchases using your provided code or link, you earn a percentage of their total expenditure. This dual income approach offers flexibility and the potential for lucrative returns, turning your social media presence into a profitable venture. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell for more insightful content. Your journey to financial freedom starts here at Profitability Plus. Until next time, keep hustling, stay motivated, and thrive.